Look at that, I got the spicy bit up first.
Hi YouTube fans, this is Matt of Post April 6th, and I'm about to eat dinner inside Chef Zorbas Cafe on 2626 East 12th Avenue. It is near 12th Avenue and North Elizabeth. It's in the Congress Park neighborhood. And here's what my sandwich looks like. That's the good old Cali-Burger. Now that I have finished the burger, I'm going to eat these delicious French fries. Yum, 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 yum.
Except maybe for the box. And you refill it as well. Got a medium well done one. That's right behind it. Other than waiting on that span plate, is there anything else I can grab, guys?
Good food.
Look on the back.
Stay tuned, there is going to be more. That right there is the original owner, but his actual name I do not recall. I think it might be Alex or something like that. Well, my meal is finished, and I really like this place. Now, the way it looks in here now, and the way it originally looked at it, or looked like, I should say, when I came in here for the very, very first time in mid-March of 1995, was way different. It didn't have these hardwood floors. It had low shag carpeted floors that was old school type of carpeting that was probably at least 10 years old by that time. 10 years old in 1995. And this is a really good place to eat at. They got a very good menu. I mean, very good. And they even have a good wine list. See, that's the wine list. And the tables, they look like this. Here's the opposite side of the restaurant where there are some dessert entrees. And some liquor that you can buy. And that guy right there, that's another photograph of the original owner. That was when he was young. Yeah, at this restaurant, they have good Greek food, American food. I think they have some food that would be Mexican oriented, and they have some pretty good breakfasts. It's a really pleasant place to visit. Now back to the first time that I came in here. It was somewhere between March 15th and March 20th, approximately. Probably more likely March 20th, 1995. I came in here for the first time because I really needed to start looking for apartments, and I needed to get very serious about it because of the following reason. The house that I was living in with my father, that was on 11th and Racine in the Hoffman Heights neighborhood, had been sold. And him and his fiancée were going to be living in her house, her nice little house in Edgewater, which is an unincorporated part of Lakewood, I believe. And Edgewater is either an unincorporated part of Lakewood or Wheat Ridge, Jeffco County area. And they expected me to be on my own and to find my own apartment. And I wrote down lots and lots of phone numbers. And I did lots of calling around, and I think I even knocked on a door or two to try to see if I could persuade the manager to see what was available. But what I did do was the next day I called about the place I wound up living at, which was St. James Place Apartments on the northwest street corner of East 13th and North Columbine Street, 2 blocks away from East High School of Denver Public School. And I really won their confidence, and after I came in to fill out the rental application, I also gave them some money to hold the apartment. And on March 29th, March 29th, 1995, with the help of my father, God bless him, and his fiancée Mary Rose, and some other people, I was able to get everything moved in that was going to furnish my new apartment and help me get by. And then after that, I started on April 3rd with Foley's Department Stores as an early morning stock clerk, stocking mostly clothing, women's related stuff, and some men's clothing. And then I worked from 12 p.m. to about 5, 6, 7, or 8 p.m. at Taco Bell. I didn't like that job very much, because let me tell you, working there, it stinks. I was glad that I finally was able to do away with that job after about 5 to 6 months. It was in September of 1995. Well, that's about all I can vlog for now. But let me get an outside image of the restaurant before I end the vlog.